Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, detailed insights into the products you use every day. Today, we're diving deep into what many consider the best Neutrogena face wash with benzoyl peroxide. The Neutrogena Clear Pore Cleanser Mask. This versatile 4.2-ounce tube packs a serious punch in acne care. Designed for acne-prone skin, it works both as a daily facial cleanser and a deep cleaning face mask. That two-in-one format makes it incredibly convenient, especially for those who don't want a complicated skincare routine but still need powerful results. Let's talk about how it works. The star ingredient here is benzoyl peroxide, a dermatologist-recommended powerhouse that's clinically proven to fight acne-causing bacteria. When used as a daily cleanser, the formula helps clear breakouts and blackhead-causing impurities from your pores. It lathers gently, works into the skin without harsh abrasion, and rinses clean with no residue left behind. But here's where it gets more interesting. When you leave it on as a mask, it transforms into a cooling, purifying treatment. That cooling sensation you feel? That's the mask getting to work. It penetrates deep into pores, soaking up excess oil, while kaolin and bentonite clay, two highly effective natural clays, help draw out dirt and impurities. This formula isn't just about short-term fixes. It's also preventative. That means it helps control oil, reduce shine, and minimize the chance of future breakouts, which is crucial for maintaining clear skin over time. What makes this even better is that it's paraben-free and dermatologist-tested, so it's a safe pick for most skin types that are acne-prone. Neutrogena has long been trusted in skincare, and this product lives up to the brand's reputation for effective, science-backed solutions. And let's not forget the texture. Unlike many treatment masks that dry stiff and flake, this one applies smoothly and feels refreshingly light. Whether you're dealing with a sudden breakout or looking to maintain clear skin, this product gives you options, daily care or an intensive boost. So whether you're just starting your skincare journey or are looking to simplify your current regimen with something powerful and proven, the Neutrogena Clear Pore Cleanser Mask is worth a serious look. It's flexible, effective, and from a brand millions trust. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more weekly product breakdowns. Got a product you want us to review? Drop it in the comments. See you next time.